You're going to want to pay attention to this one. There's a gadget that aims to make your guilty pleasure look as good as it tastes.
I'm dying for this one. NBC 10 consumer investigative reporter Leslie Gaddis is here with this week's Does It Work product.
You know what? I love cheese in any form, so bring it on, right? The cheese shaper is supposed to turn your cheese into shells and bowls, and it may even showcase your artistic talent. But does it work?
I love kitchen gadgets.
Wendy likes to cook.
I love parties because it gives me an excuse to play with food, do different things, try new ideas.
Have you ever wanted to make a cheese bowl?
I have not.
Neither have I. But the $10 cheese shaper promises it will have us making crispy cheese creations in minutes. The shaper comes with 3 reusable non-stick sheets, a bowl form and base, and a T-shaped plastic piece that is called an artist stand. You just add shredded cheese.
Place a reusable non-stick sheet on the base by aligning the holes in the non-stick sheet with the pegs on the base.
So it fits together. Then you sprinkle shredded cheese onto the non-stick sheet in a circle about a ½ an inch from the edge. We started with the enclosed recipe for a California cheese bowl.
2 to 3 tablespoons. This is how I measure when I cook too, so it works.
You stick it in the microwave for 50 seconds to a minute for the cheese to brown.
It's bubbling.
Once it's out, you remove the corners of the sheet and take the bowl form and press it down into the melted cheese.
Allow the melted cheese to cool and crisp for 2 to 3 minutes, and then remove the bowl from the form.
It does smell good.
It does. Feels crisp. And it comes right off the sheet.
Well, aren't you fancy, Wendy? Serving up dinner in those cheese bowls. Looks like something you'd get at a fancy restaurant.
It does.
I made a mozzarella bowl. Comes right off of it.
Oh, that looks good.
Mozzarella bowl, just waiting for a meatball. But Wendy's Parmesan bowl that she filled with Caesar salad was the bomb. Look how pretty it is. Your friends are not going to know what hit them. That looks amazing. I did not think I was going to love the cheese bowl maker, but here we are.
And I love it.
Next, we made the Artist's Formaggio shell. It's done the same way, but when it comes out of the microwave, you drape it over the artist stand. We used too much cheese and it was oozing off the sheet, but we got it right on the second try.
This one looks pretty good. Taco Tuesday is going to be different now.
Good? Mm-hmm. We were just as impressed with the cheese crisp.
They smell good.
Cheers.
Oh, they're good.
And they crunch like a cracker.
They do.
The Cheese Shaper website says you can even make crispy cheese art, and you sure can, like this heart.
Nice.
So, does it work?
It works.
And you can even read it in cheese. We think this is a cheese lover's dream. I have no words.
Yes.
Is that amazing?
So
good.
great.
Amazing. I know.
Simple. A lot
Shredded
of times,
cheese.
some of the products you do like
50 seconds.
Yeah.
You can write your family little messages.
We could get really fancy with that stuff. I love it.
From someone who doesn't cook, this is my kind of product.
Oh, I love it. It works. It works. I think I have 10 people I want to buy this for
Leslie,
Christmas this year.
Put me on your list.
There we go.
Life-changing.
Thank you, Leslie.